In this video, you'll learn how to send cryptocurrency instantly to another Binance user. By following these steps, you will be able to complete a transfer without incurring blockchain fees, making the process both quick and cost-effective. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your accounts. Once on the home screen, locate and select the Pay or Transfer option. This action will prepare you for making an instant transfer, so ensure that the recipient also has a Binance account and that you have sufficient balance in your wallet. Next, choose the option to send cryptocurrency to another Binance user. You will need to enter the recipient's details, which can include their email address, phone number, or Binance Pay ID. After entering the recipient information, select the cryptocurrency you intend to send from the available options. Pay careful attention to the amount you wish to transfer to avoid any mistakes. It is advisable to review all transfer details thoroughly before proceeding to the next step. Once you have confirmed the recipient and the amount you will need to confirm the transfer, this typically involves using your security verification method, which may include a two-factor authentication code or biometric verification, depending on your account settings. After confirming, the cryptocurrency will be delivered instantly to the recipient's Binance account, and you should see a confirmation message on your screen. To ensure everything went smoothly, check your transaction history to confirm the transfer's completion. You may also want to ask the recipient to verify that they have received the funds. Since this is an internal transfer within Binance, no blockchain confirmation is necessary, which makes the process even faster. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.